To access the phase sequence, deluge start, remote start, or minimum run timer, push Setup Assistant, then Next. Most of the time on initial startup, you will not have to do anything with the phase sequence, which is factory set to ABC. You'll know this pretty quickly because there won't be any alarms going off. If the oncoming power is installed as CBA, the controller will indicate a phase sequence alarm. Silence the alarm and press phase sequence ABC, which changes the alarm to CBA. Note this only adjusts the alarm, not the incoming phase sequence. On initial startup and after any phase reversal alarm, you must check your motor rotation. If you're going to enable deluge start, before you do, make the appropriate connections to the controller terminal bar by using the terminal connection diagram inside the controller, or the pump will start. To enable deluge start, push the button. If you're going to enable remote start, before you do, make the appropriate connections to the controller terminal bar by using the terminal connection diagram inside the controller, or the pump will start. To enable remote start, push the button. Minimum run is enabled by default, and you should check with your AHJ whether this should be enabled or disabled for your location. If you need to change it, push the button, which now will read minimum run disabled. The sequence start delay and accelerate delay are typically not changed on initial setup, as they are usually used for multiple pumps operating in parallel. For advanced instructions on these options, see our other videos. To continue your initial setup, press Next and watch our next tutorial to learn how to set the weekly or monthly test.